Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of noble: belonging to a hereditary class with high social or political status, aristocratic. For example, the Duchess of Kent and other noble ladies. The second definition of noble: having or showing fine personal qualities or high moral principles and ideals. For example, the promotion of human rights was a noble aspiration. American pronunciation: noble, noble. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Noble. Say, noble. Noble means belonging to aristocracy. Noble. Noble. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. She's not meek, like most noble ladies are trained to be. Now, repeat after me. She's not meek, like most noble ladies are trained to be. The second practice. The new privileges belong to preferred minorities, rather than noble families. Now, repeat after me. The new privileges belong to preferred minorities, rather than noble families.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.